What's going on, traders? Julian here. Monday market recap. And I gotta say it, low floats are back. Here it is. Boom. 266% to the upside. PRPO. This was definitely the trade of the day. Unfortunately, I totally missed this. Now, this happens from time to time. I do not suffer from FOMO because I know that these come and go on a more or less relatively regular basis. So I'm just going to start off and go over the fact that this was on my list first and foremost. I was talking about this. I was talking about this in chat. I was posting charts on it, but I got caught up in a short that actually did really well for itself, which I'll get into in a moment. But I did miss this one. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to talk about this 209 level. And this is a level that I was watching on a daily, and then over here on a smaller time frame. And what you're going to see is that 209 broke out right through here, and it pulled back. Now, the reason why I missed this was when it pulled back the first time, right through here. Price action then double topped shortly after. It was in this double top area that I actually gave up on this stock, and I went over to the short that I was trading. And then I just made a judgment call that I was going to short versus getting long PRPO. Now, PRPO did have news, and it was positive, and the market clearly loved it. But I gave up on this at the double top. When it came back to that double top, I stopped looking at it. You can see that it held support very, very nicely. And what did it do? It gave us some nice trendline resistance to actually break out of. And this is actually quite nice right through here. You can see that we bounced off of that support level, that 209. You can see over here, that's a daily hold. So there's a level of significance right through here at 209 that price action held. And again, the MACD resetted. The cohorts, is a little bit messy. So this was a lot stronger than the overall sector and the overall industry that it's in. And, it was countering what the overall sector and industry was doing. This thing ended up pushing right through here, and that is a nice trendline resistance break. It's holding the VWAP. It's 9-day buy signal on the MAC, and then it just rallies, pulls back, and then again, it's just opportunity after opportunity. Right through here, nice pullback. Again, not in this, didn't look to get long. As soon as it pushed right through here, and I saw the disconnection between the 9-day and the VWAP, I thought to myself, man, this is probably done. You can see that it actually pushes, pulls back, holds this nice level right down through here. At this level right through here, which is a break and a pullback, moves higher, pulls back to that same level. Price action then starts to rally off of that level. And again, we're offered some nice trendline resistance that breaks down through this level. Nice buy on the MAC. And then this thing pushes, closes up 262% on the day. I'm going to do a full review on this and post this in chat and in the members area. But the bottom line on PRPO is it was literally a flip of the coin. It was this long or the position that I got short. And the position that I got short is what I decided to take. This ended up moving. The position that I got short ended up moving. So I didn't lose on the day. But to be completely honest, up 265% right now, more or less, into the close. Versus the stock that I was trading that was down 25% that I hit with some options. To be completely honest, out of the two, if I could go back, I would probably have taken this one because this was up exponentially more than the short that I was in. And even with the options, this was still up net a lot more than the position that I was in. So again, ended the day off positively, but out of the two, this one outperformed better. And again, just practicing hedge thesis. I had a long opportunity. I had a short opportunity. The short opportunity worked out before the long one did. So I took the short opportunity. At the end of the day, the long opportunity outperformed the short opportunity that I was in by about 10 times. Hope some of that's helped. If you have any questions, by all means, feel free to reach out.